As this tax season comes to a close, there is one more tip you may find useful this year or in the future. Combined invoices are a great way to add extra visibility and customization to your annual reporting. In your Performance Beef account, navigate to the Reports tab. In the first drop-down box, I'm going to select an invoice A. This is just my preference. In the second drop-down box, scroll all the way to the bottom, select Combined Invoice. From there, a pop-up window will appear. You'll go ahead and select all of the group IDs affiliated with the particular date range that you're selecting. I'm going to select all of the groups affiliated with my 2024 year. I'm also going to add some extras, including head received, head shipped, and death loss details, and hit Run Invoice. Once that loads, I'll customize the date range. I'm going to go from January 1 of 2024 to the end of the year in December of 2024, and I'll hit Run Invoice again. When that report finishes loading for you, you'll notice the extra details provided that you don't see in your typical invoice. We get asked often by producers how much of a certain commodity has been used over a year-long span. I think this extra visibility gives you that and much more. Hopefully this helps your operation and in future tax seasons to come.